In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website step by step. With this tutorial, I'll show you how to create any kind of e-commerce website to fit your brand. We are going to use a theme that is made perfectly for online stores. The homepage of the store displays a branded hero section with a call to action, a featured products categories, a counter section to give your clients some numbers about your business, top product section, a section for free shipping, fast delivery, and secure payments, and finally a section for recent blog posts. It also has a customizable shop where I will show you how to add simple and variable products. This online store comes with an about page, contact page, legal pages like privacy policy and terms of service, and lastly, an order tracking page that your clients will use to track their orders when they buy from your store. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully dynamic and interactive store that you can use to start making sales immediately. In this video, I will show you how to get your own custom domain name and hosting. I will show you how to install WordPress, which is the free software that we will use to create our website and also customize it the way we want. And don't worry if you are new to WordPress, because I'm going to hold your hand every step of the way. I will specifically show you how to use a drag and drop page builder so you won't need any coding or past experience. In this video, I will show you how to install WooCommerce that we will use to add products to our store. And I will even show you how to make your own very logo for your e-commerce website for free. Also, I will show you how to integrate payment gateways into your e-commerce website, and also show you how to fulfill orders so that customers will keep buying from your store. This tutorial is going to be in parts where every part will come in a separate video, and I will link up a playlist that contains all the parts in a single list. So if you want to learn how to create this e-commerce website, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, I'll see you in the next video.